Hi everybody, I'm going to give you a cabin tour of cabin 6387. Welcome to another Journey with Josh. Welcome to another Journey with Josh. This time I'm going to give you a tour of an inside cabin on Freedom of the Seas. But I figured that, if we're here, we may as well give you a tour of it just in case you want to stay in this cabin. Not everybody wants to spend the extra money for a balcony, and a lot of people like to get the inside cabin. So let's start the show here. Okay, as always, I start with the back of the door. It shows you all the emergency information. Also, your muster station is on deck 4, D23. And as you walk in the door on the left-hand side, you're going to have your closet. Standard closet for Royal Caribbean. You have plenty of hangers in this closet, which is nice. This cabin also has the bunk beds, so you have 2 ladders for your bunk beds, and then you've also got hanging space for your smaller garments. You've got a small safe that's going to fit a small iPad and just some small belongings there. You've got some shelf space, and then of course you've got your life jackets. Plenty of space also for some small luggage. And then on the top here, you got a little bit of extra space. Of course, we've got a couple life jackets up here too, but there is a little bit of space up there if you need extra space to store things. And then on the right here, you've got some hangers so that you can hang garments on. You've got a standard light switch, no need for your cabin card to go into it to keep the lights on. And then also on the right here, you have your bathroom. This is a standard Royal Caribbean bathroom. You do have the pod showers that has the doors that close. Inside you have your hair and body wash. You've got a shelf on top and a shelf on bottom. You've got the one shower, and then of course you do have the clothesline to hang wet clothes on. You've got plenty of space for your towels. And of course you've got your toilet. Underneath you've also got some storage space as well. And then on top here you have a nice shelf area for your sink area. And then over on the other side here, you have space for storing your toiletries. Plenty of space for that as well. Again, you've got plenty of space on the counter there. You get 2 glasses in the room, large mirror area there. You also have a power outlet at the top here for razors. Oh, there it is. Power outlet there for razors. You've got 2 30 volt and 1 20 volt there. As you come into the cabin, you're going to have your standard desk on the left here. You've got drawers there, plenty of space to keep your clothes, fairly deep drawers. And then of course you've got your announcement volume there. And you've got some data switches or something there. You've also got a European power outlet there. And then on top here, this right here does open up, and it provides extra storage space for smaller things. And then on the back side here, you do have your thermostat. This room actually gets fairly cold, so we are not having to put this thing wide open, which is nice. You've got a large mirror and vanity area there. They are providing masks still and also hand sanitizer. On the other side of the desk, you have two North American power outlets, 120 volt, along with a light switch for your vanity area. And then you also have a cabinet on this side. As I said, it's wonderful for storing small items. You know, you've got some sunscreen and stuff like that, maybe some glasses or things like that. That's nice. Decent chair for sitting at the vanity. And then of course you've got extra storage on the other side. On the top drawer here, you've got your hair dryer. And then over on the side here, you've got a chiller. Most of these are not refrigerators, they are chillers, and quite honestly, I cannot really tell a big difference in using this and something sitting outside on the counter. It does run, I can hear it running, but I can't really tell if it's actually working. Above that, you've got a fairly large television, which is really nice for the cabins. You've got some storage space on top there. We've got some wine glasses here. And then over on the right, you've got a twin love seat, fairly comfortable. And then of course, you've got your sleeping area, which is a nice king size bed here. The bed sleeps wonderful. Over on the left, you've got a telephone that does have a USB port on the side so that you can charge your electronics beside the bed. The other side, however, does not have that option. There is no option to charge your electronics. And then of course you've got your lights on either side of the bed. You actually do have a little bit of storage there in that mirror area. Not a lot, but there is a little bit of space there. And also, if you needed to, these curtains actually will close off the sleeping area. So if you want to, you can close off the sleeping area, which a lot of rooms don't have that option. They do have a curtain, but it doesn't go all the way across, which is nice. So there you have it, cabin 6387. This is an inside cabin. As I said before, this holds 4 people. You do have the Pullman beds that pull out for 2 extra people. This right here is a fairly comfortable room, not much noise, which is nice. Again, this right here is towards the aft of the ship, and we've really enjoyed this. I hope you enjoyed this tour, and as always, thank you for tripping with me.